kits to help you keep your tent grounded at your next outdoor show. They all use webbing that connects directly to our canopy's D-rings, which are located on the canopy's 4 corners. Before we dive into the kits, let's go over how to install the stakes to our canopies. Here, we are using our deluxe stake and attaching the webbing to it. Now attach the webbing's hook to the D-rings on the canopy and then place your stake into the ground. Depending on the ground, you can push the stake in or you can use a hammer or rubber mallet. Make sure the stake is all the way into the ground for best support. You can now adjust the fasteners to tighten the webbing. Our basic stake kit includes 4 PVC stakes, 4 nylon webbing straps, and a carrying bag. When using this stake, the webbing attaches as shown. The deluxe stake kit includes 4 steel stakes, 4 nylon webbing straps, and a carrying bag. When using this stake, the webbing attaches as shown. Our premium stake kit comes in 2 sizes, 12 inches and 16 inches. Each kit includes 4 steel stakes, nylon webbing, and the bag. When using the stake, the webbing attaches as shown. Lastly, we offer just a nylon webbing set with the bag. This does not come with any stakes, but can come in handy if you have stakes of your own or need replacement webbing.